Welcome back to Tech. In today's video, I'll show you how to recover your Gmail account without a recovery phone number, email, or password. First, open the Google app on your phone. Tap on App Info, then click on Permissions, and select Location. Now, choose Don't Allow and confirm by tapping Don't Allow Anyway. This step helps block any background access that may interfere with the recovery process. Now locate the Google Chrome app on your phone. Tap on App Info, the Select Permissions, now click on Location, and again select Don't Allow. Confirm by tapping Don't Allow Anyway. Then minimize the app. Next, go to the Play Store and search for the Brave browser. Download and install it, then minimize the Play Store. Open the Brave browser. You'll see a prompt asking to set it as your default browser. Tap Continue, select Brave, and confirm it as your default. In Brave, go to google.com and tap Sign In. Enter the Gmail address you want to recover and tap Next. Since the hacker may have changed the password, tap Forgot Password. Google may ask for verification via the recovery phone or email. If those are no longer accessible, tap Try Another Way. If you see an error like Couldn't sign you in, do not tap Try Again repeatedly. Doing so could temporarily lock your account. Minimize Brave and go to your phone settings. Scroll down and tap on Google. At the top right, tap the Help icon. In the Help section, tap on the search bar. And search for Hacked Gmail Recovery. Tap the first option that appears. Scroll down and look for If you can't sign in, go to the Account Recovery page. Tap it. This will automatically open in the Brave browser. Now, re-enter the Gmail address you're trying to recover and tap Next. Finally, here you can find Success option. Your account is recovered successfully. Now click on Change Password and select a new strong password, then confirm it again. Then click on Change Password again. Now your new password is saved successfully. If you found this video helpful, do like it and subscribe for more tech updates.